upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two steam mops. The Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Riku Steam Mop. If you've ever wrestled with cleaning your floors, you're in the right place. Let's see which of these steamers can help you achieve that sparkling clean without breaking a sweat. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam and Go is priced at $99, while the Riku comes in at a budget-friendly $69. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Riku, often describing it as a smart choice for those on a budget. Meanwhile, buyers of the Steam and Go highlight its versatility and effectiveness, stating that it offers great value considering its multiple functions. Now, let's look at design and functionality. The Steam and Go boasts a 10-in-1 capability, allowing it to clean floors, tiles, grout, and more. Reviewers rave about its adjustable power and variety of attachments. In contrast, the Riku is viewed as a reliable floor cleaner, but some reviews indicate it may not perform as well on tougher tasks, making it a jack of all trades, master of some kind of deal. Next, let's talk steam power. The Steam and Go heats up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Riku reaches 260 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 seconds. Reviewers of the Steam and Go appreciate its intense steam output, great for tackling tough stains. On the other hand, users of the Riku praise its quick heating time, making it a dependable choice for quick cleanups. When it comes to cleaning duration, the Riku features a 280 milliliters water tank for 20 minutes of continuous steam. Reviewers find this sufficient for regular cleaning tasks. However, the Steam and Go's dual tank system allows for mixing detergent, providing extra cleaning power. Some users have noted that while the Riku is great for quick jobs, the Steam and Go offers more flexibility for larger cleaning sessions. And how about user experience? The Steam and Go has a long 20-foot power cord, perfect for larger spaces. Reviewers love this feature, finding it advantageous for cleaning big rooms. Meanwhile, the Riku's flippable design makes it easy to maneuver, and users appreciate its compactness, although some have noted it can be tricky to clean the mop heads. In summary, the Steam and Go is praised for its versatility and powerful steam output, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on different surfaces, although some mention issues with the pads and durability. The Riku, while more budget-friendly, receives mixed reviews regarding its cleaning performance and reliability. However, many users still find it effective for everyday cleaning tasks, especially for quick jobs. So, there you have it. The Steam and Go is the versatile steamer ready for anything, while the Riku is your budget-friendly powerhouse. Let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd pick and why. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun.